So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make brownies from scratch. What you're going to need is a square pan. You need some aluminum foil, some eggs, flour, sugar or sugar flour, then pure vanilla extract, 10 tablespoons of butter, a mixing bowl, a whisk, or a spoon if you have to. Whisk would work better. Unsweetened cocoa powder. I don't know if you can see this all the way over here. I'll move it over here. Unsweetened cocoa powder, some kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon. And you need 1 cup, 3/4 cup, and 1/4 cup. Now, I'm going to clear off this table, and we're going to get into making them. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take some foil, pull it out about the size of your pan, pull out a little bit extra, and pull it off. Doesn't matter if it has a little edge, that's why we did it extra. And to get really nice edges, flip your pan upside down, put the foil on it, and form your foil to your pan while it's upside down. Take it, flip it over, set this aside. Now that we've readied our pan, we want to get the next ingredients. Okay, we have our next ingredients out, and what we need to do now is take the 10 tablespoons of butter, unwrap them, and put them in the bowl. You should really take a knife and cut them up so that they melt quicker. So what we're going to do now is take our granulated sugar and add in 1 1/4 cup. Okay, after you've done that, you want to put in your unsweetened cocoa powder. For that, you need 1 3/4 cup and then 2 tablespoons. Alright, now that I've made a giant mess, we're going to add some salt. Now this isn't the exact type of lid I thought it would be. Let's do this. So I'm using the pure kosher salt. We're going to do 1 teaspoon. Okay, we're back again. It's been cooled, and we're going to add the pure vanilla extract. We need 1 teaspoon. Go in there like that. See if I can get any of the extra stuff off. Set on my paper towel, and I'm going to mix it in. I don't need to mix it too much. It's already been mixed in. And then we're going to do the eggs. We need 2 eggs. And then after each one, we're going to mix it in. And, I cracked that bad. After each egg, we're going to mix it in. And after we add both eggs, when the batter is shiny, we're going to add the flour. And for that, we need 1/2 cup of flour. Mix that one in too. Okay, so you see how shiny that batter is? We're gonna add the flour. So you kind of want it to be like chocolate icing or cake or something. Whatever you want to think of. I hope you can see that pretty well. We're gonna add our 1/2 cup of flour. I want to make it even. There's our 1/2 cup of flour. We're gonna mix that in too. And then we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. All ovens vary. Remember that. So like it could be up to 25 degrees off even. And we're going to cook it or bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Like I said, all ovens vary. It could take less time, it could take more time. You never really know. So just kind of test around with it and figure out. What you want to do is if you put a toothpick in the middle and it comes out with like this kind of batter on it, it's not done, it's undercooked. And if you put a toothpick in, it comes out with a little bit on it, like a little crumbs, then you're done. And if it comes out with nothing, then you probably overcooked it and you should definitely take it out of the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll see you back when they're done baking. Hello again, everybody. We finished baking the brownies. And it's not too hot. They've been sitting here for about 10 minutes, but it's still hot enough to, I don't really want to touch it very much. But, so, they had to actually bake for actually almost an hour. I think that's because how thick my pan was. The pan that I used was. Here we have them now. I'm trying to make the edges go down without burning myself. And when you're done, you cut them into however many pieces you want. You cut them into little squares, however you want. And then you just eat them, because that's what you made them for.